Hello friends, today we bring forward an unique, tasty and great Indo-Chinese combination of veg Szechuan spring roll dosa. In case if you have not subscribed to our channel NK Food and Lifestyle, please do so and also press the bell icon for future updates. Let's start preparing the key part of the dish, which is the curry. So for that, take 1 tablespoon oil, finely chopped carrots. So carrots is very good for health and very tasty. So this also helps us neutralize the taste in our entire mixture. So when carrots are partially cooked, let's go and add up the other vegetables, which is 1 cup of finely chopped beans. I'm taking in a little lesser quantity of beans, but the key ingredient or heart of the recipe is cabbage. So go ahead with 2 cups of finely chopped cabbage. So cabbage is one of the key ingredient into making of any of the Indo-Chinese or Chinese dishes. This also gives us a very good fragrance. Now let's add in a pinch of salt or salt as per your taste. So salt helps us to cook the vegetables fastly because it releases the moisture content and you don't need to go ahead and put a lot of oil. So salt helps us with faster cooking as well, friends. So now I think the vegetables have started to soften up. So we don't need to cook the vegetables completely. We just need semi-cooked, partially soft vegetables for a great spring roll. So this is almost ready now. So at this point in time, let's add up some amount of spices, which is 1/4 spoon of pepper powder. So this is freshly dry roasted and crushed pepper. So pepper adds a very good flavor in our overall Szechuan experience. So I would suggest us to skip using the green chilies and just go ahead with pepper. So right now our curry is completely ready. So now let's prepare dosa. For that, take a thick pan and now pour the dosa batter. So just spread the dosa batter evenly. Remember, don't make it paper thin, and also to have a uniquely thick textured dosa, make sure your batter is not too watery. It should be of the right consistency. Now the dosa is spread evenly. Let's go ahead and start the next step. Go ahead and put 1 teaspoon of butter and 2 teaspoons of Szechuan chutney. It could be a market chutney or a homemade Szechuan chutney. You might also want to add up a bit of red chili sauce to make it a little more spicy in case if you desire so. So spread this evenly. The butter and Szechuan chutney needs to be spread completely evenly so that the butter melts and goes ahead and helps our dosa cook in a very crispy golden brown way. Now let's spread the vegetable topping. Go ahead and apply a generous top layer of the vegetables because this is what gives our dosa the flavor along with the Szechuan sauce. These vegetables, especially the cabbage, gives us a great flavor. Remember, we had already put in butter, so butter is going to melt and let dosa bottom cook evenly across, and it doesn't go ahead and do a fast cooking if you had poured in oil. So this is very key and it gives a very good color to the dosa. Now it's almost 2 minutes and I think the dosa is almost cooked. So remember, just make sure to cook it onto the low flame, and that is the secret for a great dosa. So now that dosa is almost ready, let's just get it separated from the pan. And since it's a spring roll, I would suggest us to go ahead and slowly roll the dosa into a circular form, and that is going to be a good dosa for us to cut it and have it. Look at it, such a wonderful golden brown spring roll. So let's get to plating. So for plating, use chutney of your choice. You could also have a dip, Szechuan dip, mayonnaise or anything. How amazingly golden brown dosas you could prepare in home. So I hope you enjoyed our Indo-Chinese Szechuan special dosa. In case if you did like the spring roll, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to try this at your home and share your feedback. Thank you.